What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today is September 16th, I believe, a launch day for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I'm not gonna have a car video today, but we do get something better to film on, so I thought I'd take you guys on the road and basically just show you guys the new iPhone. I'm sure you guys are gonna see everywhere else, but might as well get out that video. So catch you guys at the mall. Peace. This honestly looks crazy. The whole mall's closed, but we're in here for the Apple release. All right, so I'm back in the car. It was a quick, easy process. So I got the clear case. Here it is. I did go for the iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 gigabyte in that purple color, and voila. So I already opened it. I had them install the screen protector and everything, but the camera does this color no justice. Here it is. Let's turn it on. All right, we got the case on. Honestly, fingerprint nightmare, but let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Voila. Well, it boots up. Interesting to note. Where's the SIM card inside? So they just kind of left a notch right there. Kind of looks funny, but yeah, other than that, same kind of iPhone. Excited to play around with the camera. Ooh, that's pretty fancy. Let's see, English, United States, quick start, bring your, oh. All right, let me set up the iPhone and we'll be back. All right, guys, I made it back home. Obviously restoring from my current backup. It's almost done. The purple looks very blackish in a case, and under the light right here in the camera, you can definitely tell what the color is. Here it is in the sunlight. Get nice up close details right here. You could really tell that it's purple. Up front, the notch is pretty cool. So, oh, well, yeah, notch is pretty cool. You really can't see it. Yeah, there it is. And then it does get bigger and smaller according to whatever you're doing. All right, guys, so for the first time, the iPhone, oh, that's the always on display. That's pretty cool. And then you guys will see the notch right there. Let me unlock it. Boom. Notch gets smaller. All right, guys, now that I got everything kind of more locked in, everything's going to be downloading forever. But here's a new iPhone. Here's what it looks like. Honestly, really happy with it. Already, I've noticed the display is so much better than this one. Let's see, for blah, blah, blah. Choose later. Blah, blah, blah. Wow, that's really cool. Definitely use standard. So this is the new zoomed out, regular ×2, and now we have ×3. Pretty cool. Really excited to use all the features and everything. Probably make another video with that with a car or something, but that's the new look at the new iPhone, guys.